Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tool safe. Remove the battery or unplug the cord and set it aside so you can work. Next, clear grass and metal shavings from the head and guard. This reveals any bent parts or broken fasteners. Once done, check the shaft and cutting line for obvious wear and note which part you will replace. Make sure to have a small 3mm hex key, needle nose pliers, lubricant, and replacement line or spool ready before moving on. Now you remove the spool or blade using the proper tabs or screws. Keep small parts organized so you won't lose them. Once open, inspect the spool housing, spring, bearings, and drive coupling for wear or broken teeth. These cause poor feed or wobble. Press the shaft and spin the coupling by hand to feel for roughness or binding. If you detect play or grinding, note the failed component so you can replace it. A smooth spin means the issue is likely. Finally, install the new line, spool, or replacement coupling and apply a light lubricant to bearings and the drive interface to reduce wear. Reassemble the unit in the reverse order you disassembled it, tightening screws snugly, but avoid over-torquing which can crack plastic. Once assembled, reconnect power and test at low speed, then full speed while observing noise and vibration. If you still hear grinding or see excess heat, stop and recheck bearing seating and shaft alignment. Those are common causes of persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.